Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will share 30 simple and useful sentences in the future simple tense that you can use in your daily life. These sentences will help you speak English fluently and confidently. So let's begin one. I will wake up early tomorrow. 2. She will prepare breakfast for the family. 3. He will go to the gym in the morning. 4. They will visit their grandparents next Sunday. 5. We will have lunch at 1 p.m. 6. I will complete my homework in the evening. 7. You will enjoy the movie tonight. 8. She will go shopping this weekend. 9. He will call you in the afternoon. 10. I will take a shower before going out. 11. They will travel to Delhi next month. 12th. We will celebrate your birthday next week. 13. She will cook dinner for everyone. 14. He will study for his exam tomorrow. 15. I will help you with your work. 16. You will feel better after some rest. 17. They will play football in the evening. 18. We will meet at the cafe at 5 p.m. 19. She will finish her project by tomorrow. 20. He will buy a new phone soon. 21st. I will clean my room on Sunday. 22. You will learn English quickly with practice. 23. They will arrive at the airport on time. 24. We will discuss the plan in the meeting. 25. She will bring the documents to the office. 26. He will start his new job next Monday. 27. I will call you as soon as I reach home. 28. You will understand everything after the lecture. 29. They will organize a party next weekend. 30. We will have a great time together. That's all for today. I hope these sentences help you in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English speaking tips. See you in the next video.